Sian yung bahay natin eh, no? Oh. Kita na Sian yung bahay natin. Nasa taas ako. Sian, Sean. Yung bahay natin, oh. Palanding na si Lolo, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan, lapit na kami, oh. Touchdown. Ayan, bahay natin, no? So, no? Makita ko sa inyo yung bahay, ah. Ito yung aeroplano. Ayun, dun sa tabing ilog. Yun, dun sa Pasig, Banda Road. Dun tayo, ayun, no? Kita nyo yung bahay, ayun, no? Ayan, oh, signal, oh, FTI, oh. Ayan yung Arca, oh. Ayan yung Arca, oh. Yung pinaglalakaran natin, oh. Sean, ayan, Sean, oh. Diyan tayo naglalakad, oh. Ayan yung Arca, oh. Doon tayo yung bahay natin, oh. Dito kami, malapit na kami, bababa na kami. Ayan, libingan ng bayani, oh. Ayan, libingan ng bayani yan, dami, oh. Mga American, ano, cemetery. Oh, touchdown na kami, touchdown. Ito, FTI, ayan, oh. FTI Food Terminal, yun. Expressway, yun, landing na Sean. Oh, silent landing, oh. Paglaki nyo kayo naman ang sasakay dito. Sean, Yorme, Duday, Iriana, Sian, Sianahiya, Elise. Touchdown. 8 hours, 9 hours kami, 9 hours. Airport, Philippine Airport, NAIA, Terminal 3. Time check, 8:32. Sabay na, Sean, Lorraine, Luday.
Welcome to Manila, Philippines. The local time here is 8:30 a.m.
8:30 a.m.
For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has completely stopped and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please take care when opening overhead storage compartment and ensure that you have all your personal belongings and travel documents with you as you disembark the aircraft. Remember that smoking is not permitted until you are within a designated smoking area. Thank you for choosing to fly with Qatar Airways, the One World Alliance. It has been a pleasure taking care of you today.